What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and I do want to say thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing to the channel, and thank you for understanding that YouTube is now run by AI. Well, it is allowing general discussions about crypto, NFTs, and other digital assets. That's all that this video is. It is not a promise, promotion, suggestion, recommendation, or guarantee of any kind. It's just you and I talking about the crypto world, talking about the latest market analytics, and of course talking about the latest news. So let's start with the market analytics here. Sitting at a level of 49 neutrality, we have not seen this fear and greed index indicator at 49 neutral since the beginning of January. Guys, the beginning of the year, 2026, had a phenomenal rally, and of course it fell afterwards, but nonetheless, it brought us into this fear and greed index area of neutral territory. So this is something that we haven't seen in almost 4 full months. $73,000 Bitcoin, $2,200 Ethereum, you've got $85 Solana. Go on down the line. It is a very green day and a very green week for a lot of cryptocurrencies out there, which is going to inspire buying. Now, altcoins, they still have a lot of room to run, considering we're sitting at a level of 34 on the altcoin season indicator, which means that Bitcoin is still dominating. But we're all focused on meme coins like Shiba Inu coin. Now, a lot of people think that meme coins are done, they're dead, they're over, right? Well, that's not the case. If you look at stuff like Siren crypto, Siren has exploded from 5 cents to nearly $5. Guys, that's near a 100x increase. A $1,000 investment turns into $100,000 at that point, and you're not even using leverage. So think about the possibilities here. Yes, there was a lot of profit taking. I get it. And some people FOMO'd in at the top near $4.73 here, and they're upset that it came back down in price. It is rising once again, but this is the time that you have to accumulate, when everybody's afraid and nobody wants to touch it. The same could be said for Shiba Inu coin. When everybody's afraid and nobody wants to touch it is when you must accumulate. And then the real rallies take place afterwards. So knowing that, I am continuing to accumulate SHIB and other cryptocurrencies. Let's see what these analysts have to say. So Shiba Inu coin's price remains range-bound as market participants monitor signs of potential breakout. Analysts report that the meme coin has entered a key accumulation phase. Price action shows reduced volatility, with indicators reflecting a neutral stance. Now, despite short-term bearish pressure, underlying metrics suggest that momentum is quietly building. At the time of writing, Shiba Inu coin trading around 590. At the time of recording here, it's at about 599 or 600 points per coin. Now, it goes on to say that analysts say that Shiba Inu coin has formed a classic accumulation zone after recent consolidation. The asset's volatility has declined, with short candlesticks replacing earlier sharp price swings. Price is stabilized with a defined range, reinforcing the view that a larger move is approaching. And you can see that almost perfectly on this chart here. Shiba Inu coin has been bouncing back and forth between a very tight range of about 580 and 600 points per coin. But most importantly, this 50-day exponential moving average is it's performing as extreme resistance. Resistance that, once broken, could lead to a very nice rally. It goes on to say that on-chain data supports this narrative, as exchange outflows surged by 40% in the last 24 hours, totaling 321 billion SHIB. This movement, valued at approximately $1.9 million, reflects a shift towards self-custody and longer-term holding. It says indicators flatten as ecosystem catalysts build. Technical indicators show that the market is in pause mode, with a relative strength index sitting at 50 and has been bouncing back and forth between a neutral range of 47 and 52. Look, nobody knows what tomorrow brings. We can simply make decisions based on today's action and today's, information. And right now, the information shows that the 50-day exponential moving average is extreme resistance. So much so that a lot of technical traders believe that once Shiba Inu coin is able to recover this area, it could very quickly rise to the 100-day moving average and beyond. So what do? I accumulate in anticipation of all of this. I accumulate now so that, of course, when the price does, or if the price does rally, similar to Siren coin or Siren crypto, I'm ready. I don't have to buy it at the top or buy it on the way up. I accumulate in anticipation of all of it, believing that this market will recover.